seeking a manufacturing partner to deliver on your custom life science product, you need someone who is adaptable and can grow with your organization, and who can ensure the integrity of your product by controlling the entire manufacturing process. With over 40 years of experience, we've built a global manufacturing infrastructure that prioritizes flexibility and quality. We are the primary manufacturer of over 85% of our products, which means that we control our entire manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished goods. Partner with us to produce your custom solution. Tap into our expertise to deliver what you need at the scale you need it. Our global production capacity includes more than 1.2 million square feet of environmentally controlled manufacturing space, designed to deliver on a range of products, including custom amplification reagents, recombinant protein purification, raw materials for RNA therapeutic manufacturing, and custom bioluminescent assays. Our comprehensive manufacturing capabilities span fermentation, flexible, scalable, and cGMP-compliant bulk manufacturing, quality assurance, manual to automated dispensing at specified volumes and quantities, manual and automated kitting, custom packaging and labeling, including private labeling for when you want to leverage our technologies as your own. All our facilities are certified to ISO standards and adhere to a strict quality system. You can be confident in our ability to manufacture your custom products and components reproducibly. Once your custom product is ready, it will be shipped to you using our global delivery and logistics system to ensure reliable and consistent delivery. Trust us to work with you to adapt our proven technologies to meet your specific needs. Reach out to us today to start a conversation about how we can manufacture your custom product.